Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create this simple look for Diwali. Don't forget to watch until the end for a variation in the look. Starting with the eye makeup as always, I'm using Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion all over the eye so the eyeshadow looks more vibrant. Next, I'm applying MAC Concrete on the crease as a transition color which will help me blend the other eyeshadows seamlessly. For the outer corner, I've chosen to use MAC Coperring, which is a rich medium dark copper with red undertones and a metallic sheen which I am blending with the matte brown on the crease. For the eyelid, I am applying MAC Amberlights, which is a light medium copper with a warm gold shimmer and a metallic finish. Now it's time to blend all the three shades with my favorite brush, MAC 217. To intensify the outer corner a bit more, I am adding MAC Carbon to the outer corner. For my brow bone, I am using MAC Rice Paper to add as a highlight. The Milani Supreme Kohl Kajal is my new favorite drugstore kajal, which I am using in my waterline and blending it with MAC Coperring. Moving on to eyeliner, I am using the Maybelline Gel Liner with a sharp pointed tip brush. A quick tip, you can use the Crayola paintbrush for eyeliner application instead of spending on an actual eyeliner makeup brush. It does the same job of precise application. Next, we curl lashes and apply mascara. I've used the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. I am finally combing out my eyebrows and filling it in with MAC Embark and an angular brush. Now that we're done with the eyes, let's move on to skin. First, I'm cleaning out fallouts with a Q-tip and Garnier Micellar cleansing water. Then I'm applying the Benefit Porefessional primer. My skin feels very dry today, hence I am mixing my Givenchy full coverage foundation with some MAC Strobe Cream, applying it with a beauty blender all over the face in a very light layer. To cover up some imperfections, I am applying the NARS cream concealer under the eyes and on some spots doing spot concealing. I am setting only the concealer with Loreal Infallible powder foundation because I don't want my face to look very dry with powder. Next, I am using the Benefit Hoola for some light contouring. A peach B&D Professional blush on the apples of my cheeks. And Bobbi brown highlighter in pink Quartz as highlighter on my cheekbones. Now for lips, I chose to do two looks. One, a nude look to keep the focus on the eyes, and the other, an orangish red to make the whole look bold. The nude shade is MAC Kinda Sexy and the reddish orange is MAC So Chaud. Let me know which one you like better. Here's wishing all of you a very happy and prosperous Diwali. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you loved this video. Please like and subscribe. See you soon. Bye.